It's Tiny Time with M&M and time to finish our main deck platform. In the first part of our deck building series, we showed you how we put together the frame for our 10-foot by 24-foot deck. Now it's time to get started putting in the floor joists. Michael began this project, or this part of the project, by marking where he wanted to attach the floor joist brackets. Once all of the bracket locations were marked, we began installation. Next, we measured and cut each joist board. We began installing the joist boards, stopping occasionally to check the deck frame for square.
What? Oh, you think we need the primary persuader?
Yeah. So what is the primary persuader?
This is the primary persuader.
Hey you. It's time to go get some more boards.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Just for a little bit of extra security, because there are a lot of winds upon occasion of where our camper is set up, we elected to install 3 mobile home anchors across the south side of the deck and 1 on the north side. This is the end view of one of the floorboards before we began installation, and we elected to route off the edges of the boards just to make them more feet friendly. We marked and notched the bottom side of some of the floorboards in order to be able to accommodate the mobile home anchors. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. Stay tuned for deck part 3 and check out our finishing touches.